unboxing some stuff from Amazon Prime. This is training pants, aka pull-ups for my babies. And then I have this. I don't know, is this a bag they gave me? Let's see what this is. I don't know what this is. It's actually a shirt that I ordered from Amazon. A satin shirt. Which is it? And then this lovely box. What's inside? Right, so this is training pants. Yes, for my daughters. I don't intend to use them now because they're still in the beginning stages of potty training. But see what later on. The shirt that I got from Amazon. And then this is skincare stuff, facial mask. Good stuff. And then this is, I think this is kind of like a dress. I can't remember how this is called. A jumpsuit, yeah, a jumpsuit that I got. Very summery, and the skirt. No, I think this is the pants that I bought. And this is a shirt. And then obviously I love order my toothbrushes from Amazon. The vibrating toothbrush. The other one is like I like to change it every 3 to 6 months. So I think it's expired. So I bought 2 new toothbrushes. And this is skincare stuff. This is a whole set. There's a cleanser, toner, serum, eye cream, and face cream. I can't wait to try this. And then this is, I ordered some sardines, 6 cans of mackerel. Mackerel olive oil is by King Oscar. I'm opening it right now. I have not tried this sardine before, but we'll see. I think I'll try one today or maybe tomorrow. So this is how it looks like. So this is what I got on Amazon. Hopefully you enjoyed my unboxing.